yourself. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a mini unboxing with you guys. Like 2 weeks ago, they did an online makeup fair here in Nigeria. If you're in the beauty world, I'm sure you know about that, and a lot of vendors were offering like mad discounts. So I decided to hop on it and get a couple of new products because it had actually been a while since I went all out to buy new products. If you can hear that sound, I'm so sorry, please kindly ignore. They're doing some work on the house close to me, so there's a lot of hammering and pounding and it's annoying me, but there's nothing I can do about that. So please, I really hope my mic is not picking up that sound, but you guys please bear with me. Yeah, thank you. So it had actually been a while since I went all out to buy new makeup products like last year, so I was really excited about this. I ordered a bunch of things from a couple of vendors. I also ordered some from Makeup Revolution, like their website, their UK website, but it's taking quite some time to ship. So I think when that comes, I'm going to do like a different video just for Makeup Revolution products. So let's just get right into the unboxing. I'm going to start with the makeup. I bought some makeup from a vendor called New Song Cosmetics. I'm going to leave their Instagram page handle on the screen. So these are from New Song Cosmetics. So let's show you what I got from them. I got lashes from them. These lashes were so the lashes are so freaking cute. Like, let me show you guys. Can you see? I'm wearing one of them right now because I couldn't wait. These lashes, just try and guess how much. Let me give you a minute to guess how much.
A few moments later.
So let me brush it over. I got this pack of lashes for 500 naira. Like, can you? I got this pack of lashes for 500 naira. Like, it was so freaking cheap. I got 2 packs, by the way. I'm already using them, and now that I'm thinking about it, I really should have gotten like 3 packs because this was such a steal. Like, then also I got this lash glue, this classic eyelash glue. Like, this glue is amazing. This is like a correct dupe for the duo eyelash glue. So I got this for 600 naira each. I think it's usually 1000 naira, but on sales it was 600 naira. So cheap. So I got 2. This lash glue is so amazing. Like, I'm using it on my lashes right now. Like, the hold on this thing is just unbelievable. Then I also got this set of brushes. This is the Kabuki brush set. It comes with, I think, 10 pieces, or is it 12? It comes with 10 pieces. These are basically just like face brushes, but there's a couple of eye brushes in this. The sound is pissing me off. It is pissing me off. So I got these brushes for like 2,000. I think yes, I got these brushes, this set of brushes for 2,000, and they are so soft. Okay, so freaking soft. I got this Kiss Beauty setting spray. This setting spray is just, I don't even know the right words to use to describe it, but this setting spray is cheap. I got it for like 1,000, 1,000 I think. Can you imagine? And this really helps your makeup stay in place all day. Like, I've used it before, and I was almost running out of my Zikel setting spray, and I saw this one on sale, so I had to cop it. This neon pigments. I got these 3 pigments for 500 naira. How cheap? Like, crazy, right? Then I got this pink, this really cute pink liquid liner for 500 naira as well. Next makeup product I got was from Unbox. Like, see, when I tell you guys, people stress the hell out of me. Like, I was so pissed off. I was so, like, there was just a lot of complaints surrounding my order. I'm just getting these products today, by the way. It was crazy. Like, it was just crazy. So I got the Higa and Esther Dual Cover Photo Perfect Foundation. Let me open this up. This is in the shade Cocoa. I really hope it's my, I think it's supposed to be my shade. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this tube form with a pump. I'm going to be trying this out in another video. Then I also got their Photo Perfect Concealer. Oh my, I think this would be a bit too light for me to highlight with. It's not bad, I can make it work too, but it's quite light. It smells like paint. Oh well, I'm going to try this out. I bought this foundation not because I needed a new foundation, but I just wanted it. So I decided to get, and I got the eyebrow pencil. This is their brow pow sculpting eyebrow pencil. I got in the shade ebony. I think this is the darkest shade. It's a pencil. It's a pencil, and it also has a spoolie on the other end. This is all I got from Guy and Esther. So now onto skincare. I got a couple of the ordinary products from Glam Beauty J. They were having like sales, though it was a pre-order sales though, but I wasn't really in huge need for it. The wrapper on this one is just, though it's skincare products, so I'm sure they did not want it to break, so the wrap is quite secure. I'm just going to tear this honestly because I cannot wait. Glam Beauty J. So these are the products. I got the ordinary peeling solution, the ordinary AHA peeling solution, and the ordinary niacinamide serum. So I'm going to be testing this out really soon, maybe in my next video or the video after that. So you guys, I've wanted to get these products for like the longest time. You cannot even imagine it. And this is quite big. I thought it would be smaller than this. Ooh. I'm going to be doing a review on these two products very soon. I got a couple of hair care products from Essence Beauty World. I got this VO5 shampoo, my cancel conditioner, got contact lenses. Like, I used to have a lot of contact lenses before, but I don't know where everything went to. So I got grey color. When I was buying it seems like a lot of products, but now I'm reviewing them. It's just wow. So you guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you stayed to the end of this video, thanks a lot. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do like more unboxing videos, even though they cost a lot of money. But let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos, and I'll work towards that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.